everybody, hope you're doing well. I'm back with another one of those really fast breaks. This will probably take about all of 2 minutes. It is Court Kings 1819. I pre-ordered this quite a while back, so I don't remember what's in here, honestly. There's some digital packs if anybody needs them. There are the odds if anybody needs them. Let's see if it tells. Ultra rare inserts including Aurora something and something something. Find autographs. Something per box, but I can't read it. So let me cut the try cutting the plastic off so I can read it. Two. So that's good. 2 autos. I don't know how many cards total. Yeah, they don't do a good job of. There's not much stuff on here. Alright, 4 versions of rookie cards featuring the hottest young stars in the NBA. Court Kings Ultra Rare inserts including Aurora, La Cinq Poubelle, and Gallery of Stars. Okay. Well, it doesn't say how many cards total, so. Oh, there it does. 10 cards. Well, that's good. More than there usually are in these little deals like this. That's it. Let's see who we got. 2 autographs. Alright, there is Karl Anthony Towns. I guess this is a base card. Number 62. D'Angelo Russell, Eric Bledsoe. This is emerging artist Grayson Allen. Good feel on this card. They're like a matte, like a canvas type feel to them. Devin Booker, Renaissance Men. Chandler Hutchinson to 199. That is an on card, good looking autograph, fresh paint. So there's a rookie auto there. James Silas to 149. Sovereign. So 1 rookie, 1 vet. This is a sticker auto. And we have Mitchell Robinson rookie portraits. This is numbered out of 25. I thought it was something when I saw that this was in blue. And then Trae Young rookie. That looks good. Look at that. Kind of interesting. And last card is Alonzo. Is it Trier? I'm guessing Trier maybe. Not numbered 3. I think this is the brand that has like levels to some of these cards, I think, if I remember correctly. That's pretty cool too. Looks very I start to say Jackson Pollock. It's not Jackson Pollock. Who was the guy who had the funny haircut, did the Campbell Soup cans? Oh my god, my brain is so fried the older I get. What's his name? It's on the tip of my tongue. I don't know. I can't remember. Somebody comment, help me out. Clearly I'm stupid as hell. Oh god, I just had it again and forgot it. So, there's my 2 autographs. I don't know. They look pretty good. Not much happening. Again, for the price of this box, I don't think this is too good of a value, really. So I only got 1 of them. But, I mean, the cards look good. I might be willing to buy it one more time if the price drops, but as it stands right now, it's probably going to be the only one. Alright, that's it. 1819 Court Kings. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining me for these 4 minutes. I said 2, it was 4, but I went kind of slow. So, everybody take care. I'll see you again. We got something else coming up next week. I don't remember what, of course. Anyways, I'll see y'all again soon.